7th, 2016.
Yeah, there's
Here
a whole
is
lot of work.
They've really done some gangbuster work over here.
Yeah,
Look,
so
that mountain over there is new.
Yeah, we got a whole huge.
This one right over
this
there.
mountain is being flattened. Like we saw that building, but now it's being flattened on top. That's pretty awesome. And then we've got
This little crevice over here is new. This ditch.
this ditch. I think. Okay, see this access road that's going through the whole place?
Yeah.
So I think Star Wars Land is on the top side of that, and then near us, that's going to be just, you know, show building, like buildings that support buildings.
Backstage?
Yeah, backstage building. That's what I feel.
That's this part right over
Yeah.
here.
Yeah, right there. And then
Behind the trees.
Yeah. And then this whole area right here is going to be your main. Ooh, and there's a bee. There's going to be your main Star Wars.
I think this part over
land.
here is new.
Yeah, this part over here is all flat. Like, I think before they were building this big giant berm, like you know, like with trees, like and stuff building. Unless that's all done and they just put the trees back
This part
way over there.
over here.
Where?
Yeah. This is all newly leveled.
Yeah, that's all new leveled, and that's like a huge area. Like you can't even see beyond the trees where that's going. So that's pretty cool. And then if you look, can we see Tom Sawyer's Island or anything? Not really, but that's, I believe, what they're working on. Wow, that is pretty cool. Alright, so that's Star Wars Land, and they're hard at work. Look at all those trucks moving dirt around. That's their job.
In my opinion, there's not enough trucks out there. You shall double your efforts.
Double your efforts, alright. Is that good for today? Oh, cool. Yeah, this is the first time we're trying this live Facebook thing, so we'll be trying again, I guess. I don't know. Oh, but look at this. Look at this guy. There's a big truck going up along here.
Right up.
Yeah, there you go. You got it. He's going up the hill. That's pretty cool. All right, Richard had to go. All right, guys, thanks for joining. And can you comment? Like, I don't see any comments. Oh, there we go. There's a comment. All right. Well, we'll see you next time. Bye.